consider how to start high retention views without accounts or so-called unsigned HR views. Let's create tasks for unsigned views here. Right-click, Add YT task. Enter name for the task. Enter link to the video, total number of views, delay between views if you want a delay between views and deliver them slowly. Use proxy or VPN. Take in mind that with VPN we can only use one IP address at the moment. When we use proxy we can use many IP addresses at the moment. Here's the watch time, constant and random part. Click OK, assign new task. We can find all unsigned tasks here menu-unsigned tasks. Here's the list of all unsigned tasks for YouTube ranking, views, Google and any other tasks when we don't use Google accounts. Hide all disabled and completed tasks to see only active tasks. We can see the task is not disabled and not completed. So, we can start working. Here's the type of task, link, counter and total number of operations. Make sure we don't have any other tasks to focus all resources on views. There are no any other tasks. Actually, it can work with other tasks, but it's slower. OK. Check our activities before and after task. If we want to generate views very quickly to boost our video, we should disable before and after task activity. If we need to generate stuck views, we should enable them and configure correctly to look natural for YouTube. Just choose before and select one you want to use before target view. You can create your own activities sets here to randomize NetAutom behavior. Also, you can modify existing sets. It's actual for all YouTube tasks, like commenting, liking, subscribing, ranking, etc. Use the same technique for after task. When NetAutom completes target task like viewing, liking, etc., it gets down to auto activity after task. You can create your own, delete or modify existing sets. Auto activity is a setting to farm accounts when we don't have any tasks to keep our accounts alive. Here's settings for auto activity. Auto activity could be configured on or off for each account separately. This setting disables it completely for all accounts. We don't need auto activity for unsigned views. Set your delays here according to your internet connection. You can use these presets to increase delays and get more stable work. If you want work faster and your connection is very good, you can decrease the delays. Here we can control how many browser profile we need to use for views or ranking. Browser profile is like a user without Google or YouTube account, like you use YouTube in a guest mode. You can watch videos, but can't like, comment or subscribe. Each profile has its own cookies, history, fingerprint and IP address. Demo version supports 500 profiles, basic license supports 2000 profiles, standard supports 5000 profiles, Pro supports 10,000 profiles, Ultimate supports 25,000 and Supreme is unlimited. You can see list of all accountless profiles here, menu list of accountless profiles. Here's the list of profiles with fingerprints. You can redefine fingerprints right here. These profiles are used in YouTube ranking, views, SEO ranking, etc. Now, let's check our instances settings. We can control how many instances of browsers are running simultaneously. This is delay between launching of each browser. You can control the delay when NetAutom should launch next instance of browser. Now let's check our proxies. Proxies are fine, let's continue. So briefly, assign views task. Make sure it's not disabled, make sure we don't have any other tasks from accounts or unsigned, check our settings like delays, auto activity, activity before and after task, check our proxies, check instances number and delay and click the start button. We can see the client browser started with proxy. This is a browser client which does the work. Client is a custom browser. This is NetAutom and this is NetAutom browser. For unsigned views its clients called like unlogged view 0, unlogged view 1 etc. NetAutom sends task to the browser via socket and we can see all tasks of the browser here menu-tasks-account and tasks. These are tasks of the instance of browser that must be implemented by this copy of browser. This is the operating concept of NetAutom. You define tasks in the NetAutom and NetAutom launches NetAutom browser to implement all the tasks you defined. Now we're running one instance of the browser without any activities. That means that NetAutom browser starts watch the videos as it gets the task from the NetAutom. We can see it got the task and watched the video. It must close itself and NetAutom will launch another copy of browser with different IP address and fingerprint. Let's increase total number of instances to see what's going on. As we can see, NetAutom launches several copies of the browser at once to watch video from several browsers. NetAutom launches other copies of the browser to implement the tasks. It's unlogged view 1. It's our first copy unlogged view 0 which is watching our video. And this is unlogged view 2 which is just launched. Now let's consider views with auto activity before and after task. Spoofing or auto activity is a set of actions to look natural. It's supposed to fool anti-bot detector. Let's enable auto activity before task. Select before and create our own set for testing. Add, enter the name. Add several actions. This is a main page video. It will randomly click and watch a video from the main page after opening youtube.com. Permanent watch time period for the action, random part of watching time. Probability of the action. Total number of actions. Add watching any suggested videos from the right panel. Now add a quick set for after testing. Enter the name of the set. Add watching suggested video. Just checking our sets. Before and after. OK. And run the NetAutom. Now the browser must use the same settings and before the target task must implement before activities. Let's check the settings of the NetAutom browser and NetAutom. They are the same. Now the browser does before task auto activity and then gets down to the target operation, then does after auto activity and close itself. The more auto activities you add and more natural the more reliable operation will be done like stuck likes, views etc. As you can see, NetAutom offers a lot of options in generating high retention views. You can add browser fingerprints, auto activity to look natural, delays, retention, etc.